Uneven or sinking patios can totally ruin your chill outdoor vibe, but fixing them doesn't have to be a nightmare. So, first off, if your patio is looking all wonky or sinking, you gotta check the base underneath. Start by digging around a bit to see if the soil has shifted or settled unevenly. That's usually the culprit. Next, add a proper sub-base like crushed rock or gravel to help with drainage and keep things stable. Make sure to compact that sub-base real good because loose stuff is just gonna settle more later. If you've got concrete, sometimes you'll need to re-pour it after fixing the base, but for pavers, you can just reset them after leveling the ground. Don't forget to slope your patio slightly away from your house so water doesn't pool and cause damage. Also, keep in mind that regular maintenance like sweeping and clearing debris can help prevent issues before they get worse. And if you're not feeling confident doing this yourself, calling in a pro is totally worth it to avoid bigger headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes with uneven or sinking patios is ignoring poor drainage. Water pooling just makes everything worse, so always slope and use good sub-base materials. Another error is skipping the compaction step after adding your base. If you don't pack it tight, your patio will settle unevenly again quickly. Lastly, rushing the job without properly prepping or leveling before pouring concrete or resetting pavers leads to an unstable surface that causes cracks or sinking soon after. Fix these by always checking drainage first, compacting the base thoroughly, and taking your time with leveling before finishing the surface. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for outdoor projects like patios. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who need quality work done without the hassle of endless searching.